In a massive decision amidst the COVID pandemic, the Narendra Modi government has decided to cancel the Class 10th Central Board of Secondary Education examination and postpone the Class 12th examinations. Students of Class 10th will be promoted on the basis of an objective assessment to be developed by the CBSE. If any student is not satisfied with this objective assessment, then the student can opt to appear for a written examination when the situation improves. As far as Class 12 students are concerned, the examinations, the CBSE examinations have been postponed till at least the 15th of June. The centre will review the situation on the 1st of June and then a decision will be taken, but a notice of at least 15 days will be given to students and schools before Class 12th examinations are held. Now, before this big announcement, Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired a crucial meeting with the Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank and other top officials of the Ministry of Human Resources and Development. Prime Minister reiterated that the well-being and safety of students has to be top priority. He also stated that the centre will keep in mind the best interests of students. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said the health of students must be of utmost importance, of utmost priority. Also, what has to be kept in mind that the academic interest does not suffer. Sources are telling India Today, officials were of the opinion that the Class 10th examinations should also be postponed and be held later. However, the Prime Minister insisted that students were already troubled by COVID and the examinations should not add to their trouble as far as Class 10 students are concerned. So, a decision was taken to cancel Class 10th board examination.
12वीं क्लास के बच्चों के मन में जो एंग्जाइटी अभी बनी रहेगी रिशेड्यूलिंग की वजह से, वो भी दूर की जा सकती थी। उसकी जगह अगर उनके भी एग्ज़ाम कैंसिल करके और एक कोई दूसरा तरीका निकाल लेते और बच्चे भी इससे आगे बढ़ जाते फिर, लेकिन फिर भी अच्छी बात है कि एग्ज़ाम कैंसिल किए जा रहे हैं या उनके बारे में फ़िलहाल ना कराने का फैसला लिया गया है 12वीं क्लास के एग्ज़ाम के बारे में। करोड़ों लोग इस बात की अपेक्षा कर रहे थे, इसकी मांग कर रहे थे। हम भी पिछले 4-5 दिन से लगातार इसको उठा रहे थे। मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने भी कहा था कि एग्ज़ाम कैंसिल किए जाएं। आज उस बारे में फैसला लिया गया है। हमें खुशी है कि बच्चों के हित में फैसला लिया है।
India Today's Tanushri Pandey now joins me for more on this big story. Tanushri, a big relief for Class 10 students, but as Manish Sisodia was saying that there will be anxiety in the minds of Class 12 students. Their examinations to be held after the 15th of June. So a decision to be taken after the 1st of June and a 15-day period. But bring us the thinking that went into this decision making. The Prime Minister, we are told, met the HRD Minister. The HRD Minister met the Prime Minister. What happened in that meeting?
Well, Gaurav, there were two meetings which were held. The first one and the second one, both were chaired by Prime Minister Modi himself. And what he made very clear that the safety, the security and the health of the students are of utmost priority to us. The exams can definitely can be taken later. But right now, the priority for us is the health of the students. And that is why this particular decision was taken that for Class 10, let us just cancel the board examination for Class 10th and promote the student on the basis of an internal assessment, because Class 10th examination is slightly of less importance than the Class 12th examination. Now, the Class 12th board examination will be happen on a later date. The date has to be finalized yet. A review meeting will be held on June 1st on the entire COVID-19 situation in the country, and on the basis of that, the dates of Class 12th examination will happen later. So, I think what really went behind this, decision were two things. There was a lot of pressure from all the opposition leaders, be it Arvind Kejriwal, be it Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi or Aditya Thackeray, that the board examination need to be cancelled. This is not a situation to conduct offline examination. So that's why the central government have to give it a rethought. And the second decision, I think, the second idea which went behind this decision, I think, that the students' health was of utmost priority to each and every person. Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself made it very clear that exams and studies can definitely take, happen later. But as of now, right right now, what is of absolute priority to us is the health of the student. And Gaurav, you have asked me that question. I'll quickly take that question to one of the class 12 student, and she was just telling me that I am under a lot of pressure, not just because of the examination, because of the scare of COVID-19 as well. Shambhavi, thank you for speaking to India Today. A decision has been taken. The class 12th exams will now happen on a later date. A review meeting will be held on June 1st. But as of now, it has been postponed. How do you think?
So, right now, because of the postponement of exams, I feel very relieved. I wasn't lacking in my preparation for the board exams anyways, because the school has helped me a lot. It has always supported the students. And so I'm very relieved, very relaxed that the exams are going to be postponed, because the COVID-19 cases were increasing over the past few days. It is now really good that the exams have been postponed. So there is, the government has taken decisions.
So you are hailing the decision, but tell us something, Shambhavi. Is there still some anxiety in your mind that बाद में देना पड़ेगा एग्जाम, हो सकता है बाद में भी कोविड सिचुएशन नहीं ठीक हो, या कुछ तरीके की एंजाइटी अभी भी है, और आर यू कंप्लीटली रिलीव्ड?
There is at the back of my mind still like anxiety कि कब होगा exam, and also I'm a little bit anxious that what will happen to the college admissions and the entrance tests, but I hope the situation will,
Because the exams have been delayed.
exactly. So I feel like the situation must get better in the next few months, and I hope that the board exams will go very well and that we will be able to give our college entrances on time.
On time. Yeah. So what do you think, if by any chance a review meeting is held on June 1st, and if it is decided that, what do you want the decision to be? The class 12th exams should be cancelled, completely cancelled, and they should be promoted on the basis of some internal assessment? Or do you think it is more feasible to conduct an online examination?
I feel like it's not feasible to conduct an online examination in any cost. If the situation does not improve after June, then they should take an internal exam.
An internal exam, and should promote the class 12th students.
Exactly.
You are from science background.
Yeah, I am. I have a science stream, so I have the subjects physics, chemistry, biology. Yeah.
You guys also have to do practicals and all.
Yeah. So it's right now it's very difficult for us to take the practical exams online.
Right.
Yeah.
So online you're saying is not the way to go.
Yeah.
Maybe the class 12th.
It should be internalized according to me.
Right, it should be internalized. So Gaurav, as you heard from the girl, she is a class 12 student, and she is from the science background. She's telling me that if the situation does not improve after June, I think a decision should be taken that the class 12th exam should also be cancelled. Online exam is not the way to go. But that's her opinion, that's her point of view. But as of now, I can tell you, Gaurav, the class 10 students are extremely happy about the decision.
Yes.
Class 12 students are very much relieved at the moment, but they are just a little anxious as to what is going to happen in the future. But for now, students across the country hail the decision taken by the central government. They are very happy and very much relieved for the moment. Gaurav, back to you.
You know, when it comes to class 12, the figures we are being told is of the 30 lakh students who are to take these board examinations, 18 are for class 10th, about 12 for class 12th. And that is why, and also what's extremely significant, Tanushri, is college admissions. College admissions cannot happen on the basis of internal marking at school, because how does a college judge which student to take and which student not to take? And that is where perhaps, Tanushri, there will be an issue, especially for arts students. Science students are, have an open entrance examination for universities. What happens to others? For example, at Delhi University or other universities?
Absolutely. Absolutely, and I think, Gaurav, that is something, which is going to be of utmost priority to even the CBSE officials and the HRD ministry, that what is going to happen. Now we have clearly delayed the class 12th examination. What is going to happen to the college admissions and people, and most importantly, Gaurav, for the students who have applied for universities in abroad? So what is really going to happen to the entire process? As you rightly mentioned, that college admission cannot be given on the basis of just an internal assessment. assessment. For science student, it is still very much possible that entrances happen for colleges. But what about a student from humanities stream, from an arts stream? What are those students going to do? So definitely, what do you think, Shambhavi, is it going to be a very tough decision for the government as well? Because what's going to happen for the students of arts stream? For you, it's going to be an entrance exam. But what about those?
Yeah, so the students who have humanities or commerce as their stream, they do not have common entrance exams like JEE or NEET for medical or engineering exams. But there are many colleges who have been forthcoming with central examinations. So I feel like those students could adhere to those entrance.
But you think it's going to be a little, more difficult for the class 12?
Of course, it's going to be very difficult for the government to make a decision considering the commerce and the humanities students as well.
Right.
So, yeah.
But you still feel that the exams should be completely cancelled?
I don't feel like the exams should be cancelled. Of course, they should be held, but either it should be internalized or there should be a common entrance test for all students.
Common entrance test for all the students. That makes sense, Gaurav. But, as of now, students are very much under pressure. They are just basically, absorbing the decision which has been taken. But as of
Tanushree,
now,
is there
students are
any
a little
clarity
bit-
at this
there's a
point of
little
time?
confusion
What
in
will
the
this
minds of
objective
class 12
assessment be when it comes to class 10th students? Because class 10th results are extremely crucial to decide which student gets into science, arts or commerce. When the HRD ministry says the result is to be prepared on the basis of an objective criteria to be developed by the board, do we know what are the contours of this objective criteria?
Well, Gaurav, what we are gathering from the CBSE officials and our sources in the board is that an objective criteria will be developed by the CBSE board itself, along with the schools, respective schools. Now, what the objective criteria will hold is it is going to be a sort of an internal assessment. Every school has an internal assessment. In the last year also, we were in the middle of a pandemic and students couldn't go to schools. They had to give online examination, online practicals, online theories. On the basis of that, the board is going to prepare a sort of an internal assessment and marks will be given to those students on the basis of that internal assessment. Now, the CBSE has given, Gaurav, a very fair chance to all the students. They have said that if any student is not satisfied with the marks given to them, he or she can sit for an offline examination as and when the situation, the environment is conducive. So that's, I think, fair enough for the students that they will be given marks on the basis of an internal assessment, and if any student is not satisfied, he or she will be given another opportunity to sit for an offline examination and prove himself
Tanushree, for the moment,
whenever
thanks
the
for joining
situation
me.
is conducive. So
Pan-India COVID explosion. Fearsome cases surge.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.